you. Right, oh, mate. Wait. Oh, God, I can see. All of them. Pickles, is that you at the middle tank?
Yeah, that's Pickles.
Hello. Right side, runners, that side.
Okay. We've got one guy with us, so he's a bit angry at me. So I'm leaving him to it. It's a bit crap.
Cover me, because if he sees me running towards it, he's going to pop out of cover and try and outflank me.
Don't want to have another go?
Yeah, come on, let's bounce.
There's a few more lads, I'm not going to do it.
Behind the tank. Who's that with me? You're on the parachute over there. What's it? Shooting through the gap. Yeah, further. Watch it on the right, on the right. Hey! Good shot. Got him. Watch out. Yeah. Hey! Come on, you pansy. Yes, you are! How is that empty already? Right. Watch out, one made it past me behind the tank. Hey! Hit in the face as I pull a grenade. You got that one? Oh yeah. Oh come on, that's not grinding and separate. That would be all of you! Right behind you, Jack. Hey!
Jesus, same place.
Hey! Woo! That was some crazy shit, that was, man. That. See this guy with the gas Uzi. Dude, does that thing do full auto? Oh! Oh! I love